Hello dear tennis. Today I am going to discuss about one of the most important and burning issue of India, that is population explosion. And before that I am going to discuss about what is population, concept of population. In the ordinary sense, population is a collection of people or any other living beings in any specific geographic area. In population dynamics, size, age, and sex structure, motility, and reproductive behavior and growth of a population are studied. Means population means in a geographical area, collection of people is known as population. Now, if we can consider a particular area, suppose Hujai district, then we can count the number of people are residing in Hujai district under the age of so and so, particular age, particular sex, particular size, and different dynamics. So we can count the population of a particular area. Population growth rate is the increase in country's population measured during a period of time. So there are certain period from that time onwards. In that period the population is measured. For example, 1 year, or it may be even a decade, means 10 years. It refers the number of births and deaths during a period and the number of people migrating to and from a country. It is not only the number of births and number of deaths, and it is also the migration of people to and from the place. Coming to the place or going away, immigration, it may be immigration. One is EMIGRATION, another is IMMIGRATION, coming inside and going outside. Before I discuss about the population education, it is important to understand the term overpopulation, that is population explosion, because we are facing the problem of overpopulation of people in the world. Overpopulation means when human beings numbers exceeds the carrying capacity of its habitat. Habitat means the particular place. It is not only the size or density, but it refers to the relationship between human population and the available sustainable resources. So sustainable resources, we have to keep in mind relation of human and the available sustainable resources. So if the population increases, then we may face different kind of problems, which I am going to discuss in my next class. But today I shall discuss about causes of high population growth in India. There are different factors which is the cause of the high population growth in our country, that is India. You may expect a question in your final exam. What is population explosion? Write the cause of the high population growth of India or the state where you reside. Or you may get a question, what is the cause of high population explosion? So first one is the declining death rate. Here there has been expansion of medical facilities, you know very well, and public health services to control over various diseases like cholera, plague, malaria, influenza, diabetes, hypertension, etc. All these are controlled by medical facilities. As a result, the death rate is decreasing day by day. In the early years, we have seen that the high death rate was caused due to frequent occurrence of famines, but now due to better medical facilities and transport facilities, availability of food, grains, medicines, this has also been reduced considerably. So students, due to the not only medical facilities, transport facilities also, we are able to overcome the death rate. You have heard the story of Dasrath Maji. He was unable to save the life of her wife, whom she loved a lot. Ultimately, he have, due to the barrier. What was the barrier in transportation? That was the mountain. Ultimately, she was able to. Sorry, he was Dasarath Maji have was determined to break the mountain by his hand, and he became the mountain man of India one day. Another important factor contributing to low death rate is the decline in infantile mortality. Expansion of medical facilities and better child care at maternity centers have resulted in decline in infant and female mortality. So during the birth time, generally, if there is a complexity, then the patient or the mother is to go for cesarean nowadays. And due to this complexity, we can overcome the maternal and the child death. Next is the polygamy. In our some communities of India as well as in abroad, a man can legally only marry more than one or two women. Polygamy has contributed towards more children in the family. So ultimately, if you have two or three wives, you will obviously you will have more children. Next point is the universal marriage system. If you talk about universal marriage system, marriage is considered to be an important social function in India. Every year, and every parent wants his son or daughter to be married. Marriage is considered essential for everyone. Even today, lifelong bachelorhood is looked down upon. So children are born out of marriages and leads to high population growth. So parents want that their children get married very soon, whether the girls or the boys. It is their one kind of hobby, you can say. They used to force the children to marry sometime if they don't want, then also. And next one is the early marriage. Our next point is early marriage. Early marriage actually it happens in the rural areas. If we talk in the rural areas, you can see the early marriage system, and it is not seen in the other places. And this early marriage system is a very important one. It's an important issue. We have to fight against it. Most of the child who is not physically fit is married early. Early marriage are very common in our country. Even though the legal marriageable age for girls is 18 years and for boys is 21 years, most of the girls, particularly in the rural areas, are married during the age of 15 to 20 years. And this lengthens the reproductive years. So as a result, if the child marries very early, then its reproductive year, woman generally has reproductive years up to 45 or 42. Then the woman goes to menopause according to biology. So since the child marriage will marry up to between the 15 years and 20 years, still they have a chance to reproductive age is left, that is 21, 22 up to 42. So you can see, if it marriage in between 14, 15 to 20, then what will be the consequence? So as a result, it is the cause, one of the cause, early marriage. Next is the poverty. In India particularly, poverty is both the cause and effect of population growth. A big family size is the poor person's way to fight poverty, as the children are sent to work to supplement the household income. And this is why the India has large labor force in the world. Poverty. High illiteracy. This is the most important cause, and it is affecting in every sector. Illiteracy, damaging the system from the grassroots level. How much you make awareness, it is not working at all. Even you can see now, it's COVID-19 outbreak of COVID-19 also. Most of the illiterate people are creating problems in the society. They are coming out of the home. They are not worried about the disease. They are not familiar about the disease. Same way they are causing harm in high population growth also in India. Education helps people to become more broad-minded, liberal and rational also, and lack of it makes them rigid and superstitious too. So in the states where the literacy is very low, particularly among females, the birth rate is very high. They are not concerned about the precaution or preventive measures for family planning, etc. Next one is the preference for sons. Especially you can see in our India and also in abroad, everyone prefers sons, and there is a dispute in the family if the first child is not son. If the first child is daughter, they will go for second. If the second is daughter, they will go for third. Nowadays they are not aware that the girls are equivalent to boys in all sector, intelligence, and even in, we have good IS officers, we have good politician. Most of the states are controlled by the women. We have IPS officer, we have defense minister, we have finance minister. Women is controlling the country. Yes, let us go to the next slide. Lack of conscious family planning. Lack of conscious family planning. So there is a lack of conscious family planning in every family. The use of family planning method is still unknown to all the illiterate people, and absence of family planning habit in rural, urban also, and is the cause of the high population growth. The absence of family planning, parenthood in India is due to cultural and social factors, and that is harming our country. Therefore, measures must be taken by the government and by the NGOs, and also through formal, informal, and non-formal programs, educational programs. This consciousness may be created among the people. Next is the climatic conditions. Climatic condition is one of the most important factor. According to some people, researchers, they say that the high population growth is result of the due to the uh, increase in temperature, that due to which stimulates the sex urge, and as a result, there is a in tropical countries generally it happens, and due to which the population growth is increasing. There is a growth in population. And next one is the joint family system. The joint family system also is cause of high population growth, you can say, because awareness about benefits of a small family is not known, and responsibility among young couples to rear children also is lacking in, and which is prevailing in our country. And the other cause of high population growth is migration. Its migration is one of the burning issue of Assam, and illegal migrants are coming from decades to Assam, and for these many issues, not only in Assam, in our country also, and international issue also, it is a migration. Many people migrate from rural areas and also to neighboring countries to contribute to our population. Next is the cultural influence. Cultural factors, family size, consequently affect population growth rate. Of course, from a cultural standpoint, religion does not have a profound effect on family planning. Many religions promote large families and strictly prohibit artificial means of birth control. This is the cause. We should be aware of this. When women are educated and gain economic security, they will definitely make proper decision regarding limiting the family size. But sadly, in India, we can say that state is very low, particularly amongst rural and poor people. Next one is the lack of entertainment facilities. It has been observed from certain studies that people generally in the very low income group is doing entertainment facilities, and uh, and also in the rural indulgence sex play in the absence of proper entertainment facilities. So this all what we have discussed today about different uh, cause of high population growth. You can see, or you can review once. Declining death rate, you remember the headlines and you can make it by yourself. Declining death rate means death rate is declining due to medical facilities. More than one marriage is known as polygamy. Universal marriage system, parents wants to marry their son daughter very quickly, bound them to marry early marriage, poverty, high literacy, preference for son, all these factors. Lack of conscious family planning, climatic condition, joint family system, migration, cultural influence, lack of entertainment facilities. All the points, if you remember, you can make and write. And thank you. So, any question, you can text me. And stay home and stay safe and obey all government guidelines. Thank you.